Good noon, adventure seekers. Looks like it's already August 17th. I thought I'd give you a quick update on our low-cost, low-water front yard solution. It's been 2 months since we did this with just cuttings in this carapia section here. And as you can see, it's filling in quite nicely. Hopefully not too afraid of bees. You can check it out. We're sure attracting the bees. I'd say it's at least 70% filled in now. Probably give it 1 more month. It should be totally ready to go. Keeping it a little wet, but not nearly as much as you'd have to water a lawn. Thanks to my wife, she's done quite the good job with the surrounding succulents here. And a little artistic. Quick shout out to Laura Eubanks, Designed for Serenity. She gets a lot of inspiration from that YouTube channel. What to do with all these cuttings. Once again, all this is just cuttings we've collected. Estate sales, and yard sales, and friends, things like that. We haven't bought one of these plants from the store. That's good. Nice low cost. I'm all for that. I've collected all these rocks over the years. But looking pretty nice. Design action going here with the succulents. A couple of them not done too well, so we pulled them out and put in some new ones. Other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. Old, low cost, low water solution. So, if you want to get rid of your lawn, save you some water, save you some mowing, save you some edging, save you some trimming, all that good stuff. It's one solution. Stay tuned for more succulent action. What do you say, Sparky the Wonder Dog? You liking this new solution? Not a lawn. I think you're still digging it. Still like to explore, chase all the little lizards in the tracks. He's having no problem with substitution. Grass to succulents. Stay tuned. Mr. Lizard.